Hello friends, this is Dr. Sajjad Mahmood. I am a professional doctor working as epidemics control officer in my district. I have a passion for coding and I have been coding for last 1.5 years. Code with Antonio is my go-to source for my portfolio projects. I started doing one project, but I couldn't complete it yet. But I think it was the best time to get engaged in the activity that Antonio planned with Convex Dev. I started this project a few days back, and I was able to achieve some things which I want to share with you so that I can participate in this competition. I couldn't achieve what I initially planned, but I have done something which I want to show. So here is the site. I have deployed it. Uh, and I have committed it on GitHub. I will be sharing that repo with you. So it is deployed on SJ at this address, and as you can see, it is working fine. So let me log in. And it has been able to sign up. And then when we enter, I have made a few changes to it. Number one, there is I have worked to make this a collaborative app, and I have been successful in sharing the notes with other users, and the changes they are doing are reflected on real time. Title is changing in real time. The profile picture is changing in real time. Then icon is changing real time. However, I have been having difficulty in implementing the real time changes of the editor, which I think may be due to some compatibility issues with Convex and the block note editor that we are using. So, sharing this, when I open a note, I have made this note. So I changed the button that was here that said publish to this share button. When we click on this button, we get two tabs: share and publish. So we are in share. The publish has exactly the same functionality that original publish button had. It has, I have changed nothing to it. Sorry. What I have implemented is that I can look for other users that are in this have registered on this app. Say I know that there is one user named docsaj@gmail.com. That's my own user that I will show you later in other tab. So when I share this with this, it gets shared and its icon appears here. Now when I try to search this user again, I cannot search. So I implemented such that the search functionality is such that the user with which the document is already shared does not show up here, the owner does not show up here. So it works like that. And the component that I created here, you can put any limits to it. I have put two users to check the functionality. So when there are two users, this becomes a face file. There are the icons or the avatars of other users are placed on above these icons, these avatars, and the total number of users are shown at between this share button and this avatar. So if there are 10 users, we will get two users in the form of these avatars, and remaining users will be shown as plus 8 users. So we will get that notification. When we click on this button, we see that it is shared with this user. So when we click on the avatar of any user, we will get the detail of that, and we can unshare with that user. So this sharing has been removed. So and when we share the plus one or other number that is shown, when it is shown, so right now I don't have much users and don't have many accounts on GitHub, so I could show that functionality, but it exists there and I have checked it. So when we click on that button, we get a list of all the users where with which this document is shared. So when if this document is shared with this user, and this we have I have named it test note. I can change it to anything, new note, um, for original user. Let's name it like that. And when I log in from another browser with the user that we have shared it with, let me log in with that. So I logged out from the app, so it's like asking me again. We will see that note, that note we had in new note for original user, that we named it like this. ठीक है, in our shared app we can create more notes, more note. And when we see, there is no shared with me, only one note here. But when I share this note with that user, it shows here more note. So it is working fine. When we can open it from shared user with which this is shared. Now I split my screen into two parts, so that we can see the real-time editing working. When I change more note changed, it is working in real time. But when we do icon change, so it is also working in real time. But when we do say I have some upload a picture, uh, let's go with this picture. So it is also working. But I have issue when we try to do some changing, trying to do some changes. So these changes are not reflected in real time. We have to reload the page, and then these changes are shown here. So it is working, but these are few issues. Maybe I could work a little more um, to debug this. I hope you like this project, the work I've done. It's been really awesome to code like this. I've never done this before, and actually, I have never participated in such a competition before. I don't think if there are some. It was a great initiative that you people announced some prize over this, but I wanted to participate and show my skills, and that I wanted to work and I can work. Before that, when there is no deadline, I just keep on lingering my projects for over months. But since it was a deadline, I'm trying to complete it before my deadline. Thanks.